Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I got my package from Temu, and I just picked up a few odds and ends that I needed, or I've been looking for a while. So, uh, here we're going to start off with the little covers for the front-facing, the selfie camera. I like to use these, but I am very rough on them, so they do end up coming off my phone quite often. So I got the last one that of the other package on my phone right now. So I ordered another 20 pack, I believe. Yep, 20 pack. I am going to eventually put the safety glass on the front of my phone, and then I'm going to use like a toothpick and put a little bit of super glue on the front on that camera cover, so that way it won't come off again. But I grabbed some until I can do that, and that was $2.47 for 20 of them. And then next I got a knife sharpener for some of just my cheap pocket knives. Nothing that needs to be, really professionally done or anything like that. And that was 69 cents. And then for $4.89, I got some of these classic pre-rolled paper cones for my Delta that I used to use. But I can't do that here in this apartment building. And so I figured if I get these, I can pre-roll one and then take it outside and have it outside. But these are the hermit crab rolls. They're just a brand, I guess. Anyways, so that's going to be for that when I find the Delta flowers. The flower. I'm going to do a few pre-rolls. And then I got these shoelaces that come with these little buckles. And I don't know, the shoelace, the end where it's the plastic doesn't fit in there, so I'm assuming you have to take that off to use it. I don't know. Anyways, these are those little clips that make along with the stretchy shoelaces, that means you don't have to tie them and untie. Well, you don't have to untie them. You can just unclip them from this, or you could just use it as a slide in and out shoe. So this is the little buckle that comes with it. Both ends of the shoelaces will go in here. And then there's this little button right there. Looks like the on and off switch for symbol for computers. And then you just push that and the other part goes off like that. So there we go. So that was the shoelaces, and those were $1.68, and I think I got 16-cent price adjustment on it. So anyways, then I got the dental floss things for $1.43, and I don't remember how many's in here, but there's a bunch of them, obviously. Can't find the ones that I had before the move, so I needed to get some other ones. So I picked up those. And then for 99 cents, I got a meat thermometer. I guess it can be used for other things as well, but it's just a digital thermometer pen. And it works. I turned it on, turned it off already. So, yep. I never had a meat thermometer, and I guess it's a pretty good idea, so I figured that's what I was going to get. It was 99 cents, so it was pretty easy. And I had a $10.35 credit, so I only paid $2.47 for all of it. So that's pretty good. And yeah, that's just a few odds and ends here that I decided to pick up. One, I'm tired of dealing with my neck knife being so dull, so I'm going to sharpen that up. And the meat thermometer is something I've wanted for a long time, but just didn't pick up anywhere else, so I figured I'd try it from here. and some other items that I use every day, and then these I use quite often because they just stick to the phone surface, so there's not much there to stick to it. It's only the outer ring, so there's not much stickiness on it, so I end up pulling them off because I put my phone in my pocket a lot of times and something will catch it and pull it off. So I just ordered more until I can actually like kind of glue it down. So yeah, that's what I got today. As always, I pray that you have a wonderful day or night, depending on when you're watching this. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.